Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to find and remove duplicate text or number in MS Excel. So just select your data, its text or values. I have selected. After that click the Home tab. OK, now go to Conditional Formatting option and click Highlight Cells Rows. After that, click here Duplicate Values. You can see when we select this option, all the duplicate entries are highlighted. Now press OK. So our duplicate values are highlighted. Again select the matter and click on Data tab. Here you can see Remove Duplicate option. Click on this option. Then you will get which column you want to delete. If you select both, see what happens. OK, you can see the two duplicate values found and removed, and four unique values remain. OK, duplicate values are gone. If you want only number or particular item, just select the column or row, then click on Data, and then click here Remove Duplicate. Now you get two options. Expand the selection and continue with the correct selection. Select Continue with the correct selection. Then click Remove Duplicate. Now press OK. Two duplicate found and removed. Four unique values are remain. Hope so this small video help you learn. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Keep learning. Have a nice day.